Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about top five jobs that AI will replace in futures. Um, 12 jobs that AI will never replace, but we have discussed only five to six. Sometime when we see Martin Mitchell, Jeff Fox something on levitating hoverboards or jumping on flying cars. The year 2015 in the a movie Back to the Future, we might think that the director Robert Zemeckis was just a tiny bit too optimistic about how the future would look back in 1985. But one thing is certain: artificial intelligence is here, and it is here to stay. It's not too hard to put ourselves in the shoes of large factory owner and see how they would prefer to buy an expensive machine that can work to 24 by 7 without ever asking for a rise. More and more automated machines and software are taking over and any possible repetitive tasks that can be somewhat ordered in a process that a computer can understand. We should not think of all uniquely in regards to large sampling robots. However, artificial intelligence has already entered many professions with the purpose of reducing the burden of repetitive and boring tasks that humans are generally not too good with and that computers excel in. We are in the midst of a working revolution that even that brightest experts struggle to decipher how it could evolve. In the next few decades, many jobs will be replaced by machines and robots in the near future, probably from the transportation industry with self-driving taxis, buses and trucks. However, it's important to note that not all jobs will be replaced by AI. Even in Sweden, a country known for innovative technology, certain vocations will always require a human touch. Executive search for firms in Sweden, for example, rely significantly on personal connections, knowledge of the job market, and the ability to analyze candidates fit within our company culture, all of which AI may not be able to fully recreate. And that's not all. These are some of the jobs that are near impossible that AI will be able to replace them in the coming year. One, teacher learning is such an important aspect of overleave that of average we spend between 15 and 20 years of our first years doing just that. It's a tremendous social commitment, and it shapes so many different aspects of who we are. It is a key stage in our lives. Teachers have critical responsibility in transmitting to a central value and essential concepts between the lines of the subjects they specifically uh, teach. Teachers often represent a reference point for many of us, often of academic or partly based on how inspiring a particular teacher has been with us in the years for all years period. For all these reasons, it is almost impossible that we will have a fully digital teaching experience in the future. Large and judge these positions have strong component of negotiation strategy. and analysis a lot is based on the personal experience and knowledge of each specialist in it. It requires a certain set of skills to be able to navigate a complex legal system and argue in defense of a client in court. There is a human factor involved when it comes down to consider all the various aspects of a trial and take a final decision that could turn into year in presence in the case of a judge. These are no types of professional that even the most savvy android will be able to cover now how to or in the future plus when will you really feel comfortable having a robot representing you in court. Director, manager, and CEO managing teams inside an organization is a matter of leadership, and this is not a stock of behaviors that can be written down in a code and processed in a linear way. A CEO is also that the person responsible for sharing the company's mission and value down to the team. It is very unlikely that investors will ever feel comfortable investing in a company managed by robot or politicians. One of the biggest differences in the qualities humans have versus machines or AI is that we are actually pretty good at coming up with creative solutions for unforeseen circumstances, and politicians need to master this skill with better or worse result we have seen is very recently due to the current pandemic situation and how the decision certain leaders took have had a very profound impact on the outcome of the spread of the virus. Would you really vote for a report to represent a large majority of human beings and human needs? Probably not. So politicians, for better or for worse, are not likely to be going anywhere. HR manager, human resource manager cover a variety very important tasks inside an organization. Hiring new professionals is just part of their prerogative. They also are a key position inside the organization for maintaining the staff motivated, detecting early on signs of discounted, and manage them if possible. AI has been introduced strongly inside HR process lately through more and more assistance from software in the filtering of a large number of applicants to job vacancies. However, not always a candidate that looks ideal on paper turns out to be the best option in person. The amount of soft human skills required to be able to determine these factors is incredibly hard to program onto a machines. Head hunters, recruiters, and HR responsible can sleep safely. AI won't take their place. Alright, guys, that's no for today. I will be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe. Have a nice day ahead. Allah Hafiz.